Does car security need facial recognition? Last year, none of our customers had a car break-in or theft. We deter entry with noise and light if someone is close. Someone close to your car isn't a real threat, though. It's someone looking in your car. So we added facial recognition to help identify real threats. Here's how it works. If a thief looks in, we take a picture, identify the face with computer vision, and notify you, and you adjust the sensitivity. Now you can get notifications for real threats and not people walking by. Take a stand with us and join the Keep Cavalry. Keep.Tech.